I am showing how to create 4D timeliner simulation in Navisworks Manage. Go to Home and Timeliner. Now append okay. This is a CSV file which I want to link with 3D model. Okay. You see the first row, activity ID, activity name, task name, plan start, plan finish, actual start, actual finish. Okay. Now go to Navisworks and Timeliner, data source, add CSV import. Select the file and here you can match the task name as activity name, display ID as activity ID, task type as task type, synchronize ID as synchronize ID, and plan date as plan start, plan end date as plan finish, actual start date as actual start, and actual end date is actual finish. Okay. Now okay. Select and right click, rebuild tasks. Go to task, then you can find all the tasks rebuilt here. Now go to auto attach using rules and create a new rule. V2 extension. Select attach items to tasks by category and here from here name should be display ID and category name should be element and property name activity ID. Okay. Select the rule and apply the rule. Now you can find all the activities attached. In this way, you can attach your all activities automatically. Now go to configure and here you can change the appearance. Construct, this is our appearance, and here start appearance green 90% transferred, end appearance model appearance I can change it to green, and others are fine. Okay, then go to simulate and play. Okay, fine. So in this way you can create simulation from timeliner. Now you can export this simulation from export animation, and from here from sources you can select timeliner simulation. Others are okay. I want to create video format, so Windows AVI will be fine, and others are okay. Okay. Now I save the video. In desktop. This is the video output of timeliner simulation.